Something punched a hole in the sun. Not a metaphor. Look at that black void in the upper right. That's not missing data, and it's not a shadow. So what exactly is it? That dark patch isn't quiet. It's actually one of the most active escape routes on the entire sun right now. Coronal holes like this one form where the sun's magnetic field lines stop looping back and instead shoot straight out into space, like open drains. Plasma that would normally stay trapped in glowing loops just leaks out, and it doesn't trickle. It streams outward at up to 800 kilometers per second, 2 to 3 times faster than the ordinary solar wind. That stream is aimed roughly at Earth's latitude right now because this hole sits near the sun's equator. Now look at all this tangled brightness across the middle of the disk. These sweeping, almost smoke-like arcs are magnetic loops filled with plasma, heated to over 1,000,000 degrees. Yesterday, just before this image was taken, one cluster of those loops in a region called Active Region 14513 near the sun's upper right edge released a mid-sized flare, an M1.0 class. That's not the biggest a flare can get, but it's not small either. Enough energy to power the entire United States for roughly 50,000 years, released in about 15 minutes. Over here, on the left edge, you can see the corona puffing out beyond the disk, those soft, glowing clouds hugging the limb. That's the sun's outer atmosphere, and normally it's invisible from Earth without a special instrument that blocks the main disk. The SDO satellite sees it naturally at this wavelength, 193 angstroms, which is extreme ultraviolet light, totally invisible to the naked eye. What you're seeing right now is plasma at around 1.5 million degrees. The sun's surface is only about 5,500 degrees. The corona is somehow hundreds of times hotter than the thing below it, and after decades of study, we still don't have a complete answer for why. So here's this one image, a dark hole venting a hurricane of charged particles toward us, a tangle of magnetic loops that just threw off a flare, and an outer atmosphere that shouldn't be as hot as it is, and yet somehow is. The sun is 93 million miles away, and we still can't fully explain what's happening on its surface. What does it mean that our own star holds this many open questions? We'll be here tomorrow with whatever the data shows next. Subscribe so you don't have to remember to come back.